This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. Style, design, and finish come together with an efficient and thoughtful floor plan to make this home shine. Inspired by JWR design with a gracious and open concept floor plan. 5 true beds or 4 beds plus office and bonus room. Gorgeous kitchen features black granite counters, subway tile backsplash, custom cabinets west/soft close drawers and doors, reclaimed clear fir shelving, under cabinet lighting, and a large island with eating bar. Comfortable living space with fireplace surround, mantle, and hearth made of reclaimed fir with a slate surround and built-in bookshelves. The 3-car garage assures extra storage and even has 220 V power. Beautiful yard with covered patio opens to a small wooded area. Walking